Hey, how is it going, man? What are we bringing today for you? Let's work out. Let's work out with rings. They're gonna assist tests using some of more, let's say, let's a little bit harder exercises. Not impossible. I must warn you, some of these exercises could be a little bit overstressing for your knees, so make sure you have healthy knees before trying any of this. But you're gonna be happy if you try. If you're sure you can put up with them, you're gonna be happy at the end. They're not easy. They're not the toughest. Let's do this. How did it go? I hope you did great today. So this is a light workout after all, but it's very comprehensive because you work your glutes, your calves, your quads. And today I'm gonna visit the city, so I'm gonna be walking around. So to me, it's gonna be enough. It's a light workout. Well, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.